All right, this is how you get to the thermal fuse. It took me approximately 5 minutes to get to that fuse. Took me longer to hunt for tools. And the first thing you want to do is grab yourself a putty knife, and you slide the putty knife here and here. What's going to happen, you're going to have two clips here. When you push it in, you're going to hear it pop. Once that happens, you can just go ahead and lift the top. Just kind of hold it. After that, you're going to have to remove two screws that go right here. There's one, and the other one on this side. You're going to have to get in there from behind so that you're able to remove the front panel, the door with the front panel. So 1 and 2. Don't forget to unplug this wire. You can use a little tool screwdriver to push in and unplug this little cable connector, and that's about it. You grab the front panel from the top, lift it up a little bit, and you will remove the front panel. I don't have it here, it's in the garage already. And let me see. So once you remove the front panel, this is what you're going to see. And thankfully, that thermal fuse could be found right here. You cannot see it because I already removed it, but it's actually, this is going to be your thermal fuse. You're going to have to remove 1-2 screws. And before you remove the screws, you're gonna have to remove these little 2 cables that hook to the prongs. Go and just pull them hard. You're gonna get to the fuse, and what I did, as other YouTubers mentioned, I checked for continuity. Sure enough, it wasn't working, so I just placed the order, and I'm waiting for the part. While you are here, as you can see, it's already clean. Go ahead and clean all the mess, gunk, lint that you might find in there. And that's it. That's about it. Again, it just took me about 5 to 10 minutes. Hope somebody can find this video helpful. Take care and God bless.